Did you hear the news? What's on the news? There's a big buffalo blizzard. There's a big buffalo blizzard, and stay out of this thing. Well, no one can go out there. Okay, I can't let my little baby freeze. Mine too. You're just pretending there's a pillow. Look at my new braids. I got you, thing. I'm gonna wiggle you. Gonna keep getting you. Bing! Anyway, no one will go out there. Don't worry, baby. Oh, my stomach feels frozen. The baby froze. Oh, but I can't go home now. I need to get some baby supplies. It's been 2 hours and Mom still hasn't came back. I hope she hasn't froze. Me too, Thing. Me too. I cannot. Oh, your baby froze in my stomach, baby. When we go home, baby, don't worry. You'll melt when we get home. Just hopefully I don't freeze. Baby. Mom froze. Oh my God, the baby froze too, Mom. Mom, you're heavy. I have to carry your walkie. Not helpful. I am still kind of freezing. I'm sure the baby will melt soon. Me too, and I'm still keeping this pillow in here.